Exterior check. Lock the entrance door of the caravan and stow the steps. Crank up all supports to the limit and fasten the crank on the space provided in the drawbar box. Remove both power cable plugs on the power cable and carefully roll it up before you stow it. Now you only need to lock and close the drawbar box. Before hitching, thoroughly check once again to see if all outer covers and lids are closed, the mobile wastewater tank is on board, and the SAT antenna is retracted. Equip the tow car with additional outside mirrors so that you have a good view of the rear.